Okay guys, so if you saw my recent haul, you saw that I picked up quite a few Stamps by Me kits. This is the Enchanted Forest kit. I don't know that that's what it's called. Like I said, I think it's called Enchanting Bows or something about it being more bow related. But I'll have it linked in the description box, possibly in the little shopping bag here. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So yeah, I recently ordered these. They're on HSN. They were slated to be presented, I think, on the Merry Christmas Day, but there was some kind of issue and it didn't happen. But I did pick them up, I think a few days afterward, whenever they came onto the site. So I have them now to share with you. So I did a whole unboxing of pretty much all the kits, all the pages, like every single paper that's in each one. And so I'm just going to go for it today. And I think I'm going to focus on the papers just like this. They're so pretty. Of course, you can use whatever papers you want, whatever, you know, you want to cut into. I would say there's not a lot of textures, I don't think, in this one, unless I'm missing something. I do have lots of textures in some of the other bundles, you know, but I'm just going to grab papers from my stash and go from there. I think it's going to be a pretty quick tutorial, to be honest. So let me go ahead and grab a card base and then we'll go from there. So I just pulled out a 5x7 card base. This is actually from the last Stamps by Me tutorial that I did, or yeah, bundle that I went through. There were, I think, 50 5x7 card bases. So this one opens at the top. You know, you can make your own card bases. Obviously, they're 5x7. You just need a piece of paper that's 7 by 10 and you score it at 5 inches. If you're doing this one, you're going to have to stick two pieces together or something, because unless you have paper that's at least 14 inches long, right, by 5, and then you score it at 7 inches. But you can definitely hinge it, you know, just stick two pieces of paper together, something like that, if you still want this kind of thing. But since I had these guys and they were here, you know, let's go. And I did 5x7 because these are 5x7 papers, and I figure, why not? Use like the whole thing. You can definitely A2 this, just cut it down, and the die, you know, will work still. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video for that. Now, I mean, these are all really pretty. I feel like it needs to be like one of these scene ones or something that has just a little bit more instead of just, oh, that's pretty. I mean, we can just make a nice, oh, you know what, I was gonna say, that's the same one? It's not the same one. It's similar, but it's not the same as the image here. Oh, you know what, this one's really pretty. Let's go with that one. Now, you can definitely just use the whole image. We can trim it down, you know, whatever you want to do. These are all so pretty, oh my gosh. Okay. Let me see, what size is this cut? Is it going to be 7 inches or something a little different here? Yeah, this is going to be, I think, just shy of 7 inches on that one. You know what? Did I give you guys measurements on this? Oh my gosh. It's 3.5 inches exactly, metal to metal. And in the width here, it's just over, it's like 3 1/8 of an inch. So just so you have that information. I don't know if I did that in the unboxing. I don't think I did. Okay. Just trying to think of how I want to do this. Oh, that's the paper that's on the front of the pack. It's very cute. I feel like I need to line it, you know, just to do a little something else. So let me grab some blue paper. I'll grab some blue paper, and I'm going to trim this down too, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I grabbed these blue papers. This is actually from the, I want to say, this is the Diamond Press Occasions paper. Yeah, I want to say it's the Occasions cardstock. And actually I think it looks really nice. So I grabbed a couple different blues just to accent. So the first one I'll do 4 7/8 by 6 7/8. So it's just a little bit smaller. You know, maybe I'll do it this way. Oh, don't want my blade in there. 4 7/8 by 6 7/8. I mean, you can just do the whole 5x7, not trim anything down, but I feel like it needs a little bit, some color in the background. And then this guy, I will trim it down to 4 3/4. And I think I'm going to trim away a little bit of this side. 4 3/4. You can trim a little bit off of both sides, obviously, but I'm going to take just a little bit off of this side because I think I'm going to do my stamping there. I don't know. 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Take it a little off the top there. You can take a little off the bottom, a little off the top too, however you want. It doesn't have to be all from one piece. You can take, you know, 1/8 of an inch there, 1/8 of an inch here, however. So you have those two. And I'll go ahead and glue those together for now. Why not? So I'm just going to glue this down. So I'm gluing these together right now because I have the blue border. I'm going to make my bow blue also. And so I don't mind that they meet up. But if you just want your bow to be on, let's say, this topper piece, then you would go ahead and stick it on and then cut away the excess, right? Or whatever. But for this one, before I get to that, I'm going to cut out this guy. And I have this for accent color. So let's see. So I'm going to take, and you can definitely wrap it like this way and this way if you want, or just the bow can come straight down the front. You can have an actual crisscross in it. And the reason I'm really removing this is because this will absolutely stick to your cutting folder or wherever you cut it, and it's kind of annoying, so I'm going to really make sure this comes off as much as I can. There's still a little bit on there. Okay, so dark blue. My goodness, that's so funny. Why is it ever coming off? Usually it sticks to the carrier. Dark blue on the base one. And then you have accent colors, which I think I'll do the light blue, this one. And then go back to dark blue on this one. And I guess dark blue center. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to take all that off. And then the dark blue for this one too. Yeah, that tape does not want to stick to the carrier. And I'm going to run these guys through and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we have that piece, and then we need to keep this guy. The dies do have a little bit of like embossing on that one, and like this one even has embossing on it. Again, I just cut the one strip. I think I'm just going to leave like this to come down like that. Okay, and what else do we have from this one? This little decorative piece. Let me put my dies back on the carrier before I stick something to that carrier, because I will definitely do that. Oh, how pretty is that one? So delicate. But I will be right back. You can imagine. Oh, gorgeous already. So, throw this here. I mean, this can go right down the center, right? And we're just missing the little stag there, so that's good. And I'm thinking about putting my sentiment right on there. Now this sentiment set I thought was really awesome in the haul. It comes with dies, so you can definitely run your die through and then put your sentiment on there. Really pretty. May your days be merry and bright, send you the gift of love. Merry everything and happy always. Oh my gosh, these are, let's do may your days be merry and bright. And I'm just gonna go for it, guys, which, famous last words here. I don't know if that's those are famous last words, but I'm just gonna stamp it, and hopefully that'll work out. So I'm just gonna take this guy. I am using VersaFine Clear, which always holds on really nicely when you go to stamp anything. So may your days be merry and bright, and I'm going to stamp it like right here. I'm just eyeballing, making sure that's straight. And basically just pushing down. These are very, very firm acrylic stamps. But some acrylic stamps, it just depends on the material. It could be a little squishier than others. I'm just making sure everything is touching. That's why I'm taking my time. Very nice. May your days be merry and bright. Looks good? Okay. So let's put that back. I wanted to show you guys a little follow-up on my Daiso washi holder I am in love with. Check this out. Too bad they don't have their website anymore, but yeah, you can just pull it out and then close it, and what I like is that it pretty much will stay. My other one, it would fall back sometimes, the last one I had, so this time I have it in a way that it's just not going to, and they're there, and it works out really well. Anyway, I know it was a little bit neither here nor there for this video. Okay, let me put this away. Yeah, and I'm sorry, I cut myself. Oh my gosh, I was opening my little wine cabinet to get a wine glass, and I don't know, I just pinched my finger on this very end here in the pull. It's like an apothecary cool old school bar thing that I have over here. So anyway, I just pinched my finger, and then when I was making dinner I splashed oil on myself, and how it hurts, so I washed it off and all that, and I had some other ones, and I didn't realize till this morning when I woke up that it looks like that, so obviously that's what burned me, and I'm like, wow, I Had no idea it was even that bad. Okay, remember I mentioned this wasn't quite 7 inches long. It looks like it's 6 7/8 because that's what I cut that paper to, right? And it's right at the edge, so something to think about. Again, the same die, you can make a cross one also, just cut it off, or just do the cross, you know. I'm still gonna put this pretty much in the center. It's a little more this way, right? With the sentiment there. And I'm eyeballing this, guys, so if it's a little bit crooked, you know. You can definitely use your grids, your grip mat, all those things. Maybe split the difference as you're looking at this. Looks like this can be a little more this way. And a little more this way. What I'm doing is looking at this one grid line here. It's wanting to stick. There we go. Okay, so that's straight as far as where I put it there. I don't have to cut it. So again, it's literally 6 7/8 as you can see because that piece of paper is 6 7/8. I'm just going to glue this to my card base. And that's pretty. I love the layers. I think the matte layer just really makes things pop. I'm going to give it a second to just set up, and I'll be right back. I guess while that's doing its thing, we can put this guy together. I'm just going to stick this down. I mean, this one goes here. Yeah, they're all perfectly exactly the same size. So, you know, I went with just 2 colors of blue, but you can do 3. You can pop the layers up. I've been trying to do recently is just make things that are easily mailed. So there we go. It still looks pretty 3D just with the coloring. So that's really nice. Again, this one also has little embossed areas. I don't know if you can see that on the tails. And, you know, the attention to detail, like, you think, oh, why isn't the edge embossed? Because you're going to cover it anyway. So the areas that are showing still have the same embossed line like this ribbon has. Sorry, I know it's hard to see with the dark blue, but trust me, it's there. It's beautiful. And then this guy, I'm just putting glue. Right edges all in here. You guys, this is a nice quick card set to use and still makes a really gorgeous card, and you know, I love that. Let's get some of that. And again, right to the edges. So all just layers up really nicely. And then this top layer also has that embossed look to it because that pattern is carried through, right? The embossed edge of the ribbon. So a lot of attention to detail. I love that for your dies. And the center one, you know, I'm going to stick it down, but if you wanted to put a little dimensional there, you can definitely do that, and that'll pop up a little bit, give you a little dimension. So I'll take that guy and just put it right in the center. I mean, how cute is that? So I'm going to give that a moment to set up, and we'll pop it on our card. Okay guys, so let's put these guys together again. I mean, it looks dimensional already just the way it is, but you know what I'm thinking? I'll stick it down the center and then pop up the sides like I do sometimes. So just put it in dimensional there. If you're curious where I got this black dimensional, it is Anna Griffin Dimensionals that I have in my stash here. I think I might put some down towards the bow, but let me cut these down towards the ends here. Tails, I suppose is what they're called. Okay, and then this center one, I'm just going to put glue and really hold that down. So just a super quick card. I think I'll pop that right there. Okay, so if those are there, that's there, that's there. The center one, I'm going to hold it down, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so that is my card. A little bit of dimension, again, not too high, so I think that's nice. I love that being kind of brought down in the center there. And may your days be merry and bright. And then again, this one stands up just because of the card that I used there. And they both stand up, I suppose, even if you were using a side opening card, or yeah, making a side opening card. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have images come up. I'll have the links there in the description box. Again, tossing the little shopping bag, the word shop or however. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.